Our air conditioner broke down during a heat wave, of all times, and I knew it was going to be a big purchase, so I really did my homework. I went on Google Business, Yelp, and looked at reviews, and I had a friend that recommended you, so that spoke even higher possibly than the reviews. So I called to see if there was an opportunity to get me in pretty soon because it was hot, and the woman I first spoke with on the phone was amazing. She was kind, she was warm, she was friendly, and she said, let's see what we can do about this. It's so hot out there. I will do my best to get somebody over today. And she got somebody over the same day. You know, after reading about the reputation, I knew that Cardinal had a fabulous reputation, but I wasn't prepared for the customer service part of it. And that's probably for me, well, definitely the second most important thing, and almost as important as the quality of the product. I'm in customer service, it's what I do for a living, and when someone treats you with not just respect and professionalism, but with warmth and kindness, and has a little personality and is engaging, that gets me every time. Because then you feel like you're not dealing with a big company, you feel like you're dealing, you know, like with individuals. So it was a wonderful experience. Everything was explained to me very clearly. My husband is Greek, and English is a second language for him. And we joke that sometimes he hears in a second language. So it was helpful that they were so patient. They were very friendly, very respectful. They asked me to come down. They wanted to show me some things. But other than that, they went, you know, busy to work, and they were helpful. They even helped me move a few things that were in the way that they needed to move to get to it. And that too was a very great experience, and it didn't take nearly as long as I thought it would. I love the fact that I was working with a really reputable company, so I knew that if something wasn't right, I could reach out to them. And I think the most enjoyable part for me was really the people I met in the process. They were wonderful.